Hello traders. More than 10 million brokerage accounts were opened in the US alone in 2020. My name is Yaroslav Berchenko, and I'm here today to tell you a story about how retail traders like you and I are changing the way that the entire market works. Throughout history, trading was considered very risky, and retail traders were always the underdog. But after the coronavirus restrictions, we see a sizable increase in retail trading. People who were locked down at home out of curiosity started trading, and the rest out of boredom. It's difficult to monitor how many people exactly are getting into trading and how many people are giving up. But one thing is for certain, that when enough people get together and consider a financial trading idea, they can significantly alter the price of a financial asset. It's true that many of you lack the skills needed to closely monitor minor market events. But recently, there have been sizable outplays where the retail investor has been outmaneuvering the big bank smart money. It is even considered that the unification of millions of retail traders around the world caused the financial markets to grow after the pandemic so soon. It was in March 2020 that the uptrend began. Many traders, for the first time in their life, jumped on a bullish trend. Hey, you guys watching, by the way, can you let me know in the comments section if you started trading in 2020? Major investment bank Credit Suisse estimates that about 1/3 of all stock trading is done by retail investors. Can you guys believe that? We are now a community of market participants that institutional investors want to plot into their market forecast. They want to count us into their model, and some may even fear us. It has come to this, that our trades count. For the first time, I noticed the impact of retail traders on the stock market in January 2021 during the GameStop trading frenzy. Let me tell you the story. GameStop is a retail store that sells tabletop board games, and their company's stock price was heading downhill at the start of the year. Some hedge funds jumped on and started selling the stock some more, but then suddenly a group of retail traders got together online on Reddit and decided, hey, why don't we support this company? Why don't we buy the stock of GameStop? And in a matter of a few days, the stock price rose 2,000%. Wow. They also caused major losses to those institutional players that were shorting it. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, to be honest with you guys, though, because last year a few retail traders tried to buy Delta Airlines stock and the cruise company Carnival. And obviously their thought process was that the lockdowns are going to be very quick to end and that people are going to get back to work. Unfortunately, that was not the case. So, moral of the story is pick and choose your fights wisely. Then they moved on to big tech companies. Apple is a beast of a company on the US stock market, and they controlled the stock price weeks at a time, moving it up against bad news and bad publicity. Then the retail traders moved on to EC, electric vehicle companies. And not only Tesla, although Tesla grew as well, but also other small-time companies grew 30 to 50% at a time. Finally, January 2021, they pile into GameStop and they save the movie theater operator AMC from bankruptcy. Retail traders saved this company from bankruptcy during the coronavirus pandemic. Several world-class hedge funds also got smashed in the process, and some of them went out of business, some of them lost millions. So you should never disregard the bullish retail army. These new behavior patterns of retail investors is of course now getting included in the thought process of institutional investors. Short selling is more riskier now than before, and then this means in the global sense, if hedge funds are not shorting as much, this means that the bullish trend will last a little bit longer. The retail trading space is a global phenomenon. We have chat rooms, we have forums, we have trading clubs, messaging groups, webinars. Oh yeah, we have them. If you'd like to see some webinars, subscribe to our channel or check out our history, and we have tons of these top-notch webinars for you. We have the likes of Reddit, Twitter, WhatsApp groups. All of these venues, they help retail traders come together. In the late 1990s, when a taxi driver would talk about the stock market and give you stock tips, that would be a warning sign. But today, the combination of retail traders and social media is a force to be reckoned with. 25 years ago, the average investor was 50 years old with a bankroll or with play money of about $47,000. Nowadays, the average investor is about 31 years old with $1,000 to $5,000 to trade with. The most important thing is the mindset. They have the mindset of YOLO, which basically means you only live once. And that obviously has nothing to do with saving or retirement. Listen to this. 97-year-old Charlie Munger, who is the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, recently described the GameStop fiasco as a frenzy led by a bunch of money-grabbing gamblers who have the mindset of racetrack bettors. Robinhood, a brokerage in the US, replied to this message and said that we are very disappointed in these views and they seem to be elitist. The response from Wall Street Bets, which is that Reddit group that I was telling you guys about, they had a more partisan reply. I can only read to you something that is a little bit more printable. We have Reddit user Ever Onward said, "Mind your own business, Grumpy Gramps." Retail investors now have access to leverage, where you can buy Amazon, currently a $3,500 stock, for only $175. We have leverage on the Olymp trade platform that amounts to 20 times the amount that you have on your account. Commissions have never been as low as they are now before. With the popularization of trading and the computerization of trading as well, commissions have only gone down. It's never been a better time to be a trader than now, really. While there were internet forums and newspapers in the 1990s, nowadays the current social media environment is radically more powerful. This is what I want to give you guys today. Down below in the comments section, I will leave links to our social media pages where you guys can go to check out to see what the movement is like. You guys can go ahead and leave a message there. Perhaps you will connect with other traders and you will make your own plays in the financial markets. Leave this video a like, and remember, despite YOLO, you still need to have an understanding of the financial markets. So feel free to check out our YouTube video for more information on how to become a better trader and how to find good trading ideas and build your own trading strategy. Thank you for your time. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko, and together with Olymp Trade, we wish you guys good luck trading out there.